All friends are welcome. I am Subhenjit. Today we will revise profit and loss from basic to higher level. All these questions are collected from SSC and railway exams. I hope all of you know the traditional methods, so I will apply shortcut tricks. It will be helpful for your exam. Let's see the first question. If a man were to sell his chair for rupees 720, he would lose 25%. To gain 25%, he should sell it for. Here, selling price is the selling price is rupees 720. He would lose 25%. So, he loses 25%. We want to find out the cost price of the chair. So, we have to go back, means selling price to cost price. Cost price, profit or loss, then selling price. This is to go back, selling price to cost price. Then selling price will be multiplied by 100 by 75, not 75 by 100 in case of 25% loss. Okay, this is our cost price to gain 25%. Then we have to go straight, means selling price to cost price to selling price. Then cost price will be multiplied by 125 by 100, not 100 by 125 in case of 25% profit. So this is our answer. 100 divided by 25, 5, 3, 240 and 5, 1200. Answer A. Okay. Let's see the question number 2. A man sells his typewriter at 5% loss. If he sells it for rupees 80 more, he gains 5%. The cost price of the typewriter is. Okay. Here 5% loss. You know it is upon cost price. Okay. Then he gains 5%. It is also upon cost price. Then we can say 10% of cost price is rupees 80. But why? Because rupees 80 changes his 5% loss to 5% gain. Okay. So 100% of CP is 80 by 10 into 100. Okay, answer is 800. D answer. Okay, let's see question number 3. A bookseller sells a book at a gain of 10%. If he had bought it at 4% less and sold it for rupees 6 more, he would have gained 18 and 3 by 4%. The cost price of the book is. Here let the cost price is 100x. Okay, gain of 10%, then selling price is 110x. Achha. If he had bought it at 4% less, then new CP is, new cost price is 4% less, then 96x. Okay, he would have gained 18 and 3 by 4%. Then profit is 96x into 75 by 4% মানে into 100. Okay, divided by 25, 3, 4. 4 into 4, 16. 96 by 16. 6. 6x into 3 equal to 18x. Okay. Then new SP is, new SP is 96x plus 18x equal to 114x. Okay. Old SP is 110 and 10x and new SP is 114x. Sold it for rupees 6 more. Then we can write 114x minus 110x equal to rupees 6. Then 4x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 by 4. But our cost price is 100x. Then into 100. 6 into 25, 150. The answer is C. Okay. Let's see question number 4. Ram bought 1600 eggs at rupees 3.75 per dozen. He sold 900 of them at 2 for rupees 1 and the remaining at 5 for rupees 2. His gain percent is. Here at first we find out cost price of 1600 eggs. Cost price is 3.75 by 12. 3.75 per dozen. The one is 3.75 by 12 into 1600 equal to 3.75 into 100 into 16 by 12. 100 into 3.75 equal to 375 into 16 by 12 by 4 and by 4 3 125 equal to 125 and 4 product 500. This is cost price. Then we have to find selling price of the eggs. The selling price is at 2 for 1, 1 for half into 900 plus remaining at 5 for 2, the 1 for 2 by 5 into remaining 700. 450 140 equal to 450 plus 280 equal to 730. Then profit is cost price 500 and selling price 730. Then profit is 230. Then gain percentage of 230 by cost price into 100%. Okay, 230 by 5 46. Answer is 46. Answer D. Okay. Let's see question number 5. A man sold 2 steel chairs for rupees 500 each. On one he gains 20% and on the other he loses 12%. How much does he gain or lose in the whole transaction? Here he gains 20%. Then we can write 20%, 20 by 100 means 1 by 5. Okay? He loses 12%. Then we can write 12 by 100 means 3 by 25. Cost price, profit and selling price. It means cost price 5, profit plus 1 and selling price 6. It means cost price 25, lose 3 minus 3. Then selling price is 22. But a man sold 2 steel chairs for rupees 500 each. Selling price want to be same, but here different. So I will multiply it by LCM of 6 and 22 is 66. So I will multiply whole it by 11 and it will multiply by 3. Okay, then cost price will 5 into 11 55, profit plus 11 and selling price 66, and here 3 into 25 75, loss minus 9, selling price 66. Here selling price is same, then whole transaction cost price will 130 and plus 11 and minus 9, profit plus 2. How much does he gain or lose in the whole transaction? He must be gained 2 by 130, 2 by cost price into 100, okay, 20 by 13 means 1.5 something. Answer is A. Okay, let's see question number 6. By selling 100 pencil, a shopkeeper gains the selling price of 20 pencils. His gain percent is, here profit is selling price of 20 pencils out of 100 pencils. Okay, so we can write selling price of 80 pencils equal to cost price of 100 pencils. In this type where rupees is not mentioned, shortcut trick is the gain percent is profit by selling price, not cost price, into 100%. Okay, the profit 20 by 80 into 100%, 425. Answer is 25%. Answer A. Okay. Number 7. Orange are bought at 5 for rupees 10 and sold at 6 for rupees 15. His gain percent is, cost price is rupees 10, oranges 5. Okay, selling price is rupees 15, articles 6. Here rupees and articles both are mentioned, so shortcut trick is gain percentage article number of cost price into selling price minus the remaining 6 into 10 by remaining, I am repeating again, gain percentage is articles number of cost price into selling price minus remaining by remaining into 100%. Okay? 5 into 15, 75 minus 60. 15 by 16, 60 into 100. Three, sorry, 15 by 16, 4, 100 by 4, 25, okay? Answer is 25%. 15 by 60 divided by 15, 50, 15, 4, and 100 by 4, 25. Let's see question number 8. A sold a watch to B at 20% gain and B sold it to C at a loss of 10%. If C bought the watch for rupees 216, at what price did A purchase it? Suppose A bought it rupees X. A bought rupees X. Okay? A sold a watch to B at 20% gain. So we can write B sold it X into 20% gain, 120 by 100. Then B sold it to C at a loss of 10%. So C bought it into 90 by 100. Okay? Equal to 216. 0, 0, 0, 0. So X is 216 into 100 by 12 into 9. 216 by 9, 24. 24 by 12, 2. 2 into 100, 200. Answer is A. Okay? Let's see question number 9. A man sold 2 horses for rupees 28,560 each. On one, he gains 15% and on the other, he loses 15%. Find his gain or loss percent in the whole transaction. In such case, you will remember there is always a loss. Then loss percentage is common gain or loss whole square by 100%. 15%, 15 whole square by 100% means 225 by 100%. Answer is 2.25%. Answer B. I hope we will be free from COVID-19 very soon. If you like my class, please subscribe my channel for continue. Thank you for watching.